What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some more work on Brady's massive engine swap that he's doing on his E46 M3. Today is going to be a super important video in the process of that, because hopefully we're going to get the engine and transmission put together and then we're going to get it mounted in the car on the engine mounts. So, with that being said, I'm going to head over there. I'm probably not going to do very much talking today. I'm just going to let you guys watch and see what we do. And yeah, I'll see you guys there.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
The beat.
From deep in my soul.
How we doing down here, Brady?
Oh gosh. Well, they're having issues with it not lining up on this other side. So, not the best. Bolt 1. Fuck. Bolt 2. Close.
Alright guys, so we got the engine mounted in the car. The engine and transmission are down in the engine bay and in the transmission tunnel. It only took us about an hour and a half to get it locked onto the engine mounts, but it took a lot longer to drill the CX Racing transmission mount to get it to hold the transmission in place. So that's what we were working on for the majority of the day. But yeah, it's in now. It's looking good. That's a huge step in the engine swap process. For the next video, we're going to be installing the fuel pump, so keep a lookout for that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already to see more of the engine swap process as well as all my other videos. I make videos every weekend, so there's plenty of content for you guys to watch. And make sure to leave a like down below because that really helps the channel out. And just make sure to leave comments on what you think of it so far. Alright, I will see you guys in the next one. As always, enjoy the road.